You might be asking yourself, could this happen to humans? Well, probably not. Despite all of the SF movies about mind control, we are pretty safe. For one thing, there are no known parasites that could take over a human brain the way the zombie ant fungus takes over an ant brain. For another thing, we don't really share too much DNA with ants. Sure, we're all technically related, but our last common ancestor was so far back on the evolutionary timescale that any similarities between our DNA are probably coincidental. But that doesn't mean we're totally safe. There are parasites out there that can affect people, and some of them do attack the nervous system. Take, for instance, the parasitic nematode, which infects ants, including carpenter ants. These worms lay eggs inside the ants, and the eggs hatch into male and female nematodes. The males mate with each other so that the females are pregnant before they even leave the ant. After mating, the males die, and the females begin to lay eggs, which grow into more parasitic nematodes. The process starts again. The newly hatched nematodes mate, and then they spread throughout the ant's body, focusing on the legs and wings. They stay in place until it's time to reproduce. Like the fungus, these worms control the body without controlling the brain. That means the ant is still alive but is being forced to do the bidding of its parasite. What does that look like? Well, once the nematode has taken over the ant, it instructs the ant to remove the other ants from the colony. It also tells the ant to store food for itself and to build a small mound where it can lay its eggs. When the eggs hatch, the young nematodes set off to find a new ant to parasitize, and the cycle starts anew. The scary part is that we don't know what other parasites are out there. Maybe someday a scientist will discover a parasite that targets humans. We have to keep searching to find out. Our best hope is to learn more about the parasites that already infect us, so we can better understand what might come our way. Now, even though we don't have to worry about the zombie ant fungus, it's still important to study it. By learning more about how this fungus operates, we can gain insight into how parasites have evolved. We can also learn more about how the brain works and how behavior is controlled. Studying the weirdest parts of nature can teach us things we never would have thought possible. Who knows what other secrets the natural world holds? You can bet Weird Life Facts will be there to uncover them. So, don't forget to stay tuned. Now check out Weird Life Facts for more bizarre biology. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more. Or watch this video instead.